Hello students. In this brief video I will show you the group choice activity in eClass, which your instructors may use to break students up into groups in your eClass course. There are many kinds of features and activities in eClass that can split a course into smaller groups for participation, but typically a teacher will need to create those groups themselves. With group choice, a teacher is giving you the ability to choose which group you want to be in. In this example course, a group choice has been created for the final project topics. If you click into it, you will see some brief instructions written by the instructor, as well as the available choices for the groups. You will also be able to see a description of the group, if one has been written, as well as the group members that have already selected the group. To make a selection, click on one of the options. You may see that one of the groups cannot be selected because they are full to capacity. If that is the case, you will have to pick something else. After making your selection, click Save My Choice below. Afterwards, you will see a label that indicates that your choice has been saved, as well as your selection. Your instructor may set it so that the group choice will be locked in as soon as you make your selection. But if you are able to change your selection, you will be able to choose a new group or remove your choice altogether.